Okay, so we've got marigold.
Yes.
So what are these marigolds? Are these fresh marigolds?
These are all fresh marigolds.
Okay.
They remove the white pip at the end.
Okay.
So
Which
this
is
segment
the
at
one
the
you
back.
said, which is a little bit.
The bitter and citrus. And then we take that, we wash it because इसमें कीड़े होते हैं.
अच्छा.
So you have to wash the कीड़े out. I know कीड़ा gives its own flavor, but not in the food.
Okay.
तो उसको धो के तो ठंडा करके छान के जब dry करके we chop it up.
Okay.
Just the golden part, not the white part, and that's what we have.
Okay. And you've got other ingredients. But what are you making today,
We're going
chef?
to do your soup.
Soup. Okay.
Very, very simple, a dal soup with a saffron flavor. Again, boiled vegetables, little cauliflower, little cream, little ghee. I mean, ghee you need for that desi swad.
Desi swad chahiye.
And plain pili dal, mung masoor, boiled together, again with a hint of turmeric in there.
Okay.
And just cooled and kept. So all you do is, you will first add a little bit of ghee. In this, we will add a little bit of cauliflower. And the dal. So all you do to that is, you're going to basically bring it to a boil. Now in this, I'm going to add a bit of cream.
Oh, nice.
Not much, थोड़ा सा.
मलाई भी हो गई इसमें.
मलाई भी हो गई. थोड़ा सा केसर. This water, the kesar pani basically is saffron strands soaked in hot water. Leave it for half an hour, 40 minutes. It gives a very nice shade to it. So add a little bit. इसमें you want to put some salt. Marigold.
इसमें भी.
Yes. बन गया. Bring it to a boil. You put it into a blender, make it into a fine paste,
Okay.
and you strain it off. Now, if you want to add green chili in this, you want to add a more flavor, you can add what you want. We're keeping it very plain because we have something which is very gentle, the marigold, and you want that to have flavor to come through. We're going to serve it with some green pea. These are crushed green peas,
हाँ.
tempered with garlic,
हाँ.
cumin, ginger, and green chili.
And what is this?
This is matti sticks. Basically, normally when you have matti which is round, you have that achar, mota hota hai, khane ke liye, it's quite nice to have achar. We make it a bit thin, exactly the same dough, but we cut them into strips and we deep fry it.
I'm going to taste one of these.
It is matti, but matti into a stick form.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That's
Shall we
fine.
start plating it up then?
I think we should plate this up now.
Chalo.
Okay, so here we are. This is the soup which has been pureed.
Yes.
What I like about it is I can still see the strands of saffron in it.
We had some leftover water, so we kept some of those strands because you want to see it. It's not just for flavor,
You
but
must be able to
sprinkle
see.
some, yes.
Superb. So little saffron has been sprinkled into
Little
it.
saffron sprinkled into it, and we got a green peas here. I'm going to put the green peas into the ring mold. Just a little bit, about 2 chammach is more than enough. And the thing is, you got to press it down. If you keep it loose, it will tend to fall apart.
There we are. This looks spectacularly nice. Okay, looks really nice. What do you call it?
Oh, this is called dal soup.
Simple.
Dal soup. Marigold dal soup.
Marigold dal soup. I'm going to taste it when we go to the table.
Sure.
Yeah? Okay, now let's see what chef has got up his sleeve after this.